Hello students, I hope you are all good. Today we will learn about dimensions, dimensional formula and dimensional analysis. So let's start with dimensions. What are dimensions? The dimension of a physical quantity are the powers to which the fundamental unit of mass, length and time must be raised to represent the given physical quantity. After that, let's discuss about the dimensional formula. The dimensional formula of a physical quantity is an expression telling us how and which of the fundamental quantities enter into the unit of that quantity. It is customary to express the fundamental quantities by a capital letter. Example: length capital L, mass capital M, time capital T, electric current capital I, temperature capital K and luminous intensity capital C. We write appropriate powers of these capital letters within square bracket to get the dimensional formula of any given physical quantity. After that, let's discuss how to write dimensional formula of physical quantity by some examples. Let's take an example of area. Area is the product of two lengths. So, area is equals to length into breadth, and dimension of length and breadth are square bracket capital L multiplied by square bracket capital L. Therefore, dimension of area is equals to square bracket L square. That is, the dimension of area is 2 dimension in length and 0 dimension in mass and time. After that, let's take an example of velocity. Velocity is equals to displacement upon time. So, dimension of velocity is equals to dimension of displacement upon dimension of time. We know that the dimension of displacement and dimension of time. On solving this by using exponent properties, dimension of velocity is equals to square bracket m ki power 0 l ki power 1 t ki power minus 1 square bracket closed. Let's take an example. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. So mass into change in velocity upon time. Dimension of force is equals to dimension of mass, dimension of velocity upon dimension of time. We know that the dimension of mass and dimension of velocity and dimension of time. So on solving this using the basic properties of exponent, dimension of force is equals to square bracket m1 l1 t ki power minus 2 square bracket closed. After that, let's discuss about the dimensional equation. The dimensional equation of a physical quantity is an equation equating the physical quantity with its dimensional formula. That is, the dimensional equations are the equations which represents the dimensional formula of a physical quantity in terms of the base quantities. For example, the expression like square bracket m ki power 0, l ki power 2, t ki power 0, square bracket closed, comma, square bracket m ki power 0, l ki power 3, t ki power 0, square bracket closed, etc. are known as dimensional formula. And the equations such as dimension of area is equals to square bracket m ki power 0, l ki power 2, t ki power 0, square bracket closed, comma, dimension of acceleration is equals to square bracket m ki power 0, l ki power 1, t ki power minus 2, etc. are known as dimensional equations. Depending upon the dimensional formula, the various physical quantities can be divided into 4 categories. First is dimensional variables. Let's talk about the definition of dimensional variables. Physical quantities which have dimensions and do not have a constant value are called dimensional variables. Example: velocity, work, power. Let's talk about the second, dimensionless variables. Let's talk about the definition of dimensionless variables. The physical quantities which have no dimensions but are variables are called dimensionless or non-dimensional variables. Example: strain, plane, angle. Third is that dimensional constant. Let's talk about the definition of dimensional constant. Physical quantities that have constant values but still have dimensions are called dimensional constant. Example: Planck constant, which is represented by small h, universal gravitation constant, which is represented by capital G. Fourth is that dimensionless constant. Pure numbers like 1, 2, 3, pi, etc. are called dimensionless or non-dimensional constant. After that, let's discuss a question: what is dimensional analysis? The dimensions of a base quantities and combination of these dimensions describe the nature of physical quantities. Dimensional analysis can be used to check the dimensional consistency of equations, deducing relation among the various physical quantities, etc. A dimensionally constituent equation needs not be actually an exact or correct equation, but a dimensionally wrong or inconsistent equation must be wrong.